We have seen a very surprising role played by India. They seem to be a democratic country, but when it comes, we talk about Bangladesh, their role is very unclear. In what capacity, if I speak very legally, they are keeping Sheikh Hasina in their country? Well, there would be a trial going on in our country. And the same question was asked in their parliament. They did not have any clear answer. And I know you are a very well-known person, like internationally. In order to create pressure on India, how you are using your lobby in terms of United Kingdom, in terms of USA and other countries, because this is very surprising in 21st century. If we see a prime minister fled from one country after killing thousands of people, after making injured thousands of students, like number of incidents we have seen there was no internet even. Our friends were there, our family member was there, and someone needs to take the responsibility. And in what capacity India is keeping her?
Thank you for the question.
As you described, if I had the chance to show the 1 minute video for the entire thing, so whatever somebody captured, you'll understand what it is, how the things happen, how terrible things, how cruel things happen. So it's not the 1 minute. It goes on month after month that happened and came to the peak of this in July. And finally, 5th of August, the government disappeared. So all this anger is in there. And the whole anger and everything is now transferred in India because the Prime Minister, went there and started, not only she's living there. The problem is, when I had a chance to talk to Prime Minister Modi, I just simply said, you want to host her? I cannot force you to abandon that policy. But please help us in making sure she doesn't speak to Bangladeshi people the way she is doing.
Looking to expand your business in the UK? UBM takes care of everything. Company registration, UK bank account, pay, insurance and tenancy. Start with UBM. Expand with confidence.
She announces on such and such day, such and such hour, she will speak. And the whole Bangladesh get very angry. That why is she speaking? Why is she keeping this whole anger thing inside of us now?
And is India doing what you asked?
No. Modi's answer, I quote, he said, it's a social media, we cannot control it. What can you say? It's an explosive situation. You can't just walk away by saying it's a social media. So this is what is still going on.